Hi, you must have heard a very common saying people often quote, well begun is half done. So a lot of time we begin and we think that 50% is done and remaining 50% will be done whenever we are free. Well, it's not done until it is done. So let's not think about well begun is half done. It is not done until it is done. So I think I like to quote my dear friend Ravi Gopalan. He often tells me that if you are planning to jump a whatever ditch, you're running all the way and you missed by 1 centimeter, 1 millimeter, well, it's as good as you never ran, you never jumped. So why did you run all the way? You can come and jump straight away. If you're jumping, you aim here, and that's what is important. The last few centimeters are the most crucial. In fact, in life, I always feel taking off is an option, but landing is compulsory. If you haven't taken this examination, civil service examination, if I am bringing the whole story back to civil services, you have preliminary examination, you have got main examination, interview. Unless you have done the last stage well, you haven't done it completely. It is very crucial to understand the makeup of this examination. In PT examination, as popularly referred, you're competing with the whole country. Anybody who's a graduate fills the form and you're competing with anybody. You have no idea whom you're competing with. In the main examination, while UPSC has taken the entire lot and then they've just taken a sorted group of people, and then you are competing with them in main examination, you're competing more with the people who are like you. I mean, you're competing with the people of similar intellect. But when it comes to interview, the last stage of your preparation, there is nobody else that you're competing with. You're mostly competing with your own self. This is very important that we understand, that we know that what is that we are competing with. We are competing with lots of negativities, weaknesses, odds that we have inside us. An interview, the most crucial level of all the three examinations, because stakes gets bigger. If you fail in PT, God forbid, you write PT again. If somebody fails in mains, it writes PT and mains again. But if somebody fails after interview, that's the saddest thing. It starts with the whole thing, all three processes. So stakes gets bigger. It is very important thereby that you understand that you, when you are alone, going into a room with the people who have their individual experiences, which is more than your age, and there is nothing that holds them to ask on anything that is whatever they want. Well, I would like to tell you, one good point that we have here is that these questions are not marked. You can leave some question which you don't have an option is in PT and probably in main examination. But here the questions are not marked. You can leave those questions, but then leaving those questions, does it help some of your weaknesses? Do you have enough tools that basically takes you through that? I mean, there are so many tools that we kind of tell people for this examination. The tools like striking the questions at the core. There are a lot of answers which I find that they start from the periphery, come to the core and then end the periphery. How you wind back your answers. How you have the demand of the question scattered. What a stand that you should take when you are on a flimsy ground. What are kind of circuit breakers that you can use when the interview is not going in the direction, in the manner that you want. There's so many tools that we have got where we can imagine reinforcing tools, anchoring tools, that you can develop them as your strength. You should not be focused too much into collecting information. They're not testing your information base so much that they are actually interested in the person that you are. They're just ensuring that they have their software. They're hiring you to basically have those softwares planted on you before you are called as an officer of the country. They want to ensure that will their software run on your hardware or not. And that is where I would see this is a very crucial stage. While at KSG we are working at all the different stages, this stage in particular has to be individually worked upon, identified, indicated, and I'm sure this is a simple approach of problem that exists with all of us. Diagnose it where that exists And solution, this PDS as I call it, problem, diagnosis and solution, that gets done. And it is through the experience of so many thousands of students that I would have seen in my life, I've been able to help you there, and it gives me immense pleasure when you actually get success out of so many thousands of students. Your name comes as the top rankers. In fact, it is very simple. You have to be indicated about your strength, and if you know your strength, I'm sure you can do it well. While we are committed to work on you at all the three levels, this particular level is the most crucial, and then I would like you to, all of you, as you are preparing right from the beginning itself, start investing a bit into this domain also of your personality traits, so to say, so that when the personality tests comes, you are prepared person to meet those people who are there to celebrate the success of a young boy, of a young girl, and that is a big achievement. That is a big accomplishment. Various levels of preparation, like for example in PT, you can get a lot of feed from the people who can tell you about the areas of weaknesses, can identify them and then have them corrected, and the books and resources can be told. For the main answers also, there are a lot of test tools that we have got through which you can improve your skills. But for interview, it is you who has to be conscious enough to identify your own strengths that need to be capitalized upon. So keep working on those skills, identify your own strengths, and then remember, this is what I'm going to carry in my interview room, and there I'm going to display them. So your consciousness of identify your own strength is of very vital importance in this examination. In fact, a lot of you give interviews of various other levels. Please remember, any interview is actually an occasion of celebration of success that you have achieved till then. But important thing, unless it is done, it is not done. It has to be done, and the last few centimeters are most vital that you must be working upon. My best wishes are with you.